If you aim to sharpening your reasoning skills and solve problems independently, this question will help you to push your boundaries and grow. Let's work on this together and you will see your abilities improve. You're presented with 3 oval shapes. Each shape has 4 numbers inside. The first shape has numbers 16, 32, 7, and 25. The second shape has numbers 10, 43, 37, and 53. And then the third shape has numbers 16, 53, 88, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 65, choice B, 67, choice C, 69, and last but not least, choice D, 73. I know, it's very tempting to rewind the video and look up the answer right away, but I encourage you to reconsider. I really want you to try to solving it on your own. Here on this channel, I aim to help you to learn by figuring out problems yourself. Remember, there's no substitute for hard work. The more effort you put in, the better your results will be. Keep pushing yourself hard and you will get the results. I have full confidence that you can do it. To fuel your motivation, consider these words from Confucius. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. This quote emphasizes the importance of continuous self-development and perseverance. Keep pushing yourself hard, and remember that each challenge you tackle, here on this channel or in life, makes you stronger and wiser. And this is the most important skill in any career. Still struggling? Let me give you a hint. Take a close look at 3 numbers in the first shape, 7, 25, and 32. What kind of math operation you need to apply to 7 and 25 to possibly get to 32? I think you've got it now. Always remember that it's perfectly okay to pause the video and reflect on the problem when you look for patterns. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? I truly hope that you finished your solution and we can compare the answers. But if you haven't, don't worry. Remember the Confucius. The key is not to give up. Because most of the time, the solution is really simple, just like in this question. If you look at the hint I gave you, 7 plus 25 does equal to 32. And to get to 7, we need to use the upper number on the top of the shape. And we would need to use each digit independently. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 25 equals 32. Let's confirm this pattern with the middle number. 3 plus 7 equals 10, and 10 plus 43 equals 53. And now is the moment of truth, the magic time to calculate the missing number. 8 plus 8 equals 16, and 16 plus 53 equals 69. So the correct answer here is choice C, 69. To answer this question, we need to have a solid understanding of the concept of grit, which represents passionate perseverance toward long-term goals, characterized by resilience and sustained commitment to overcoming obstacles. And there is no one who knows grit better than Angela Duckworth, who extensively studied it. And guess what? She advocated for sustained commitment rather than seeking immediate results. Her famous quote is, "Grit is living life like a marathon, not a sprint." You're presented with 4 complete expressions, and the 5th expression is missing the result. The first expression is 5 plus 1 equals 11. The second one is 3 plus 2 also equals 11. The next one is 6 plus 1 equals 13. The following one is 4 plus 2 equals 14. And your goal is to calculate the result of the expression 3 plus 3. Your choices for the answers are choice A, 13, choice B, 14, choice C, 15, and last but not least, choice D, 16. Try answering this question now. You have everything you need, I have full confidence in that, to solve this problem. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? Let me share with you something. It's very easy to get disappointed because you may not have the answer. The key to solving these problems and be able to solve these types of problems on the test is your perseverance. And keep in mind, every correct answer is a testament to your knowledge, while every mistake is a lesson in resilience and determination. It's extremely easy to get confused here. Visible calculations are 5 plus 1 equals 11, but in reality, 5 plus 1 equals 6. So the traditional math rules don't work here. So what do we do? And the key is to use your imagination to find the pattern. In reality, pattern here is really simple. The formula behind the calculations adds the product of the two numbers to the sum of the two numbers. Let's look at the example. I already mentioned 5 plus 1 is not equals 11, but actual calculations are 5 plus 1 in parentheses plus 5 multiplied by 1 equals 6 plus 5 and equals 11. Let's confirm our hypothesis using other calculations. 3 plus 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2 equals 5 plus 6 and also equals 11. 6 plus 1 in parentheses plus 6 multiplied by 1 equals 7 plus 6 and equals 13. 4 plus 2 plus in parentheses 4 multiplied by 2 equals 6 plus 8 and equals 14. Now is the time to calculate the missing number. 3 plus 3 plus 3 multiplied by 3 equals 6 plus 9 and equals 15. So the correct answer here is choice C, 15. Without a doubt, to solve this question, we need to embrace the famous quote from Napoleon Hill. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. So embrace the challenges presented by this question as opportunities for your personal and professional growth, knowing that perseverance is the pathway to success. You're presented with the Octagon. Octagon has 7 numbers inside, and the 8th number is missing. Starting from the 8 o'clock, the numbers are 51, 93, 72, 85, 16, 36, 25, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 9. Choice B, 39. Choice C, 49. And last but not least, choice D, 98. Well, I might know what you're about to say about the difficulty of this question. But remember, facing a challenging question in the assessment test can feel daunting, but every obstacle is an opportunity for your growth. Take a moment to gather your thoughts, trust in your abilities, and approach this question with determination and resilience. I know you can do it. Together, we'll navigate through these challenges and emerge stronger on the other side. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? As you approach answering this question, remember that the journey of your self-improvement is paved with challenges. Whether your answer is correct or not, each of your attempts make you strengthen your skills and resilience, bringing you closer to success. As part of this journey, you should embrace new experiences and remember that making mistakes is the key part of your learning process. Speaking about typical mistakes on this type of questions, the most common mistake is pattern misunderstanding, applying calculations not fully understanding the logic behind the pattern, which would lead you to the incorrect result. And as you might have guessed, the pattern here is very simple. Starting at 8 o'clock, numbers on the opposite side of the octagon are subtractions of the digits squared from the opposite side. Let's look at the example. At 8 o'clock, we see the number 51. At 2 o'clock, we see the number 16. 5 minus 1 squared equals 16. Let's confirm our logic with other numbers. 9 minus 3 squared equals 36. 7 minus 2 squared equals 25. So the missing number is calculated as 8 minus 5 squared and equals 9. So the correct answer here is choice A, 9. It's hard to deny, but to solve this question, we need to remember the words of Confucius. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. So let's embrace this challenge as an opportunity for growth and learning, knowing that resilience is the key to success. It is our time to demonstrate it and solve this question, learning new skills at the same time. You're presented with the equation, built with the matchsticks. The equation is not correct right now. An equation is 5 minus 3 equals 8. Your goal is to fix the equation by moving just one matchstick. Yes, just one. It seems so easy, but maybe it is or maybe it isn't. It is possible that this question may seem daunting at first, but I know you have the skills and creativity to tackle it. Trust your abilities and let's explore all possible solutions together. Let's tackle it as a team. Are you ready to show your answer? Let's embark on this journey together and assess our solutions. And if doubt arises, stay resilient. Each question attempted, regardless of the outcome, adds to your experience and knowledge bank. As I already mentioned, the solution here is simpler than you think. But to get to it, let's understand the rules of the matchstick problems. The first rule is that you cannot use less or greater signs. And the second rule is that you cannot use not equal sign. Wouldn't it be easy to just change the equal sign into greater sign and say 5 minus 3 greater than 8? Or to move pretty much any matchstick and make non-equal sign, and you wouldn't run out of options. You might be asking then, what moves are allowed? And there are a few. Movement of matchsticks from digit to digit, from sign to digit, and from digit to signs. Also, negative numbers are allowed. With that in mind, let's solve this equation. We need to move one matchstick from the digit 8 to the first digit. This changes the first digit to 9 and the last digit in this equation to 6. And the correct equation here is 9 minus 3 equals 6. With this question, I would like you to imagine yourself as a chef crafting a gourmet meal of intelligence. And the correct answer here will represent a perfectly seasoned ingredient, and the final dish is a banquet of your achievement. You're presented with 3 diamonds. Each diamond has 4 numbers inside. The first diamond has numbers 1, 2, 3, see a pattern here, and then comes the number 14. Second diamond has numbers 2, 3, and 4, another pattern, and then comes the number 29. The third diamond has numbers 3, 4, 5, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 45, choice B, 48, choice C, 50, and last but not least, choice D, 52. I wish I would know what your first impression is about this question. What I do know is that I don't want you to think of this as a tough challenge. I would like you instead to focus on thinking out of the box. Rest assured, you are not trying to solve this challenge alone. Regardless of your experience in problem solving, I believe in your abilities. Pause for a moment, harness your creativity, and let's face this tough challenge together. The answer is just waiting for your insightful touch. Are you ready to showcase your solution? Let's get into it and see how our answers match up. And even if you don't have the answer, don't get discouraged. Keep your spirits up even if you're unsure. Every question, whether answered correctly or not, is a chance to gain valuable insights and refine your skills for future success. As you probably might have guessed, the first 3 digits in a diamond do not represent the pattern. And the pattern here is that the bottom number is calculated as a sum of other numbers squared. Let's look at the example. First diamond has numbers 1, 2, and 3, and number 14 is the result of the calculation. Let's look at the calculations. 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared equals 1 plus 4 plus 9 and equals 14. Let's do the math for the second diamond. 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 4 plus 9 plus 16 and equals 29. Now we can calculate the missing number. 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared equals 9 plus 16 plus 25 and equals 50. So the correct answer here is choice C, 50. The truth is that understanding this question is like interpreting modern art. Everyone sees something different, and you're left wondering if even the artist knows what it means. Here you're presented with the 3x3 matrix. Matrix has numbers inside. Starting from the left column, the numbers are 49, 64, and 81. In the middle column, the numbers are 16, 36, and 64. And in the right column, the numbers are 81, 16, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 0. Choice B, 1. Choice C, 4. And last but not least, choice D, 9. Feeling a bit perplexed? It's all good, whether you're a regular art master or dropping by on this channel occasionally to become smarter and learn some cool ideas. I am confident in your abilities. You're on the right track. Just give yourself enough time to solve this challenge. Are you ready with your solution? Let's go on the journey together as we navigate through complexities. Your solution is invaluable, so don't forget to drop it in comments. Ideas in your solution could be the missing piece we're looking for, plus it can help us all learn. To solve this challenge, we need to understand the pattern. And the pattern here is that calculations are organized by rows. Digits in the left column are used to calculate the values in the middle column and in the right column. Let's look at the specific examples. As I already mentioned, the number in the upper left corner is 49. We use two digits from the 49, 4 and 9, and we use them separately. Then we square them. 4 squared equals 16, which is the value in the middle column. And then the 9 squared equals 81, which is the number in the right column. Same way we do calculations in the middle row. 6 squared equals 36, and 4 squared equals 16. Using the values in the bottom row, we can calculate the missing number. 8 squared equals 64, and 1 squared equals 1. So the correct answer here is choice B, 1. Well, guess what? Your time to radiate has arrived. I have full confidence that you will shine with your brilliance right now by solving this challenge. You're presented with 3 triangles. Triangles have numbers inside. The first triangle has number 1 in the middle and numbers 2, 9, and 3 on the sides. Second triangle has number 2 in the middle and numbers 3, 7, and 1 on the sides. And then the third triangle has number 4 in the middle, numbers 7 and 5 on the sides, and in the bottom right corner it has the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 15, choice B, 17, choice C, 19, and last but not least, choice D, 21. Crack this challenge on your own and then share your solution in comments. I'm looking forward to discussing your answer and providing some feedback. Thanks for getting involved and good luck on this intriguing challenge. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.